open. Turn on YouTube. Oh my god, it's recording. Okay, guys, I didn't know it was recording. I just got off YouTube Origami, so I made this like cute paper bird that boop, 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 boop. And about the announcements, my other video that you saw, you got something, you know, a sneak peek of a song, but that's not all of it, because every song has to be like three minutes, so it's not the law, but people just do the trend of 3 minutes. So, boop, 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 boop. Wait, look at the wings. Boop, wait. Boop, 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 boop. It's supposed to be bigger, but like that big. But then I wanted to make it small because I don't have enough paper. Well, actually, we're standing on a herd of paper. Look, see, look how big that is. All that's paper. Just to make sure. You got some